Okay, guys, I'm back with another video about IELTS writing task first academic. So we are going to do today's not a journal, is we are going to academic. Okay, so make sure you get the right information. Okay, this is academic. Okay, writing task first academic one. Okay, and um, so before gonna start, I'll go straight to the point. Okay, wasting your the precious times. So please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Okay, here we go. Is the next one. Okay, today we are going to do as you watching on the screens the writing task first pie chart. Okay, the pie chart. The first chart, pie chart, okay, on your left hand sides. And so, um, so first pie chart, like the convention thermal, which is 59.6%, and the renewables is 70.4%, and nuclear is 23%. Okay, the bottom one, and definitely is the top one, is Germany electricity generations. Okay, about 2009, and how much was it? The production was 560 billion kilowatts. Okay, in the bottom one, the pie chart, nuclear is 76 point of France, and conventional thermals only 10.3%, and the renewable is 13.7% of France. Okay, so these the France electricity generation 2001 is a total was um, 510 million kilowatts. Okay, so definitely we are going to do the sentence by sentence as we do. Okay, no, we every writing task we do a sentence by sentence. We're not gonna complete all the paragraph. Okay, all all the paragraphs. We are going to do is like say the full like we know done in 150 words in the in one video. If I'm gonna do that one, so even you don't understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's why we are going to do in the part by part. So today I'm going to take you um, the overall, okay, which is very important, and I'll take you with one pie chart by one pie charts. Okay, here the one pie charts, and we took the German electricity generation 2009 is the total was that. So how we going to write the first sentence of that? Okay, we are going to write down the bulk of electricity. So like the majority of electricity, like so definitely is wind by the convention thermals. Okay, so that's we're going to talk about. Okay, as compared to the other one, so this is 59 above the half. Okay, so bulk of electricity where in German. So we talking about the ways of we talking about the bulk of electricity in Germany whose total output, okay, whose total output was whose total output was 560 billion kilowatts. So that's we talking about here. This is one total one. Okay, the total this one is a the total production. Okay, and and the majority of electricity where it came from. So we're going to write down. We must be remember. Okay, the commas are very very important. Okay, bulk of electricity in German comma. Okay, that's what we're talking about. Why we put in a comma? Because we mention in here in German, that one of the reasons. Okay, we put in a comma. Okay, but if you do like in the German, we're going to, then we're going to put in a comma, the bulk of electricity whose total output was that. We can write down that way also sentence. Okay. But if you run this way, the world of electricity in the Germany, okay, whose total output was 560 billion kilowatts, okay, and mostly it came from conventional thermal. So mostly it came from conventional thermal. Then again we put on a comma, okay, because the one sentence complete here, okay, is put in a comma, and at 59.6%, that was 59.6%. Okay, so make sure you must be put on a commas. Okay, if you feel like if you find hard way that way, if you find this is the hardest way, and some of student, not all of the student, definitely is not gonna be that. So if anyone feel like he is unable to remember the commas, and please comment me. I'll make another video without commas. Okay, and the next one. Um, uh, okay, that is not. Okay, is my mistake. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, that we done. And now we are going to do is a France. France, the next one is be done for on the first Germany. Now is France electricity generations. Okay, 2009, 5.10 billion kilowatts. So the Germany was 560 is a 10 is a 5 less. 50 is less. Okay. Okay, in France, the total output, okay, in France, the total output was lower as compared to the Germans. Okay, definitely. The total output was lower at how much was it? At 510 billion kilowatts. Okay, then is we going to say put a comma, and next word is mostly came from nuclear. The same thing is mostly came from nuclear at 76%. If you remember, okay, the last sentence, okay, same we put in like the comma from before that, and after that we same put in a comma, and then we wrote then this sentence, then we put in a comma, and then add like that one last one was 59.6%. Okay, if you keep remember the one. So that's we talk about this one. Okay. Anyhow, so and the next one, definitely we are going to use um, because the German more electricity, the productions came from conventional, but conversely, um, the France, the nuclear. Okay, okay. Well, so definitely we are going to talk about the both things, the nuclear and the convention. So we're going to talk about how much the production was the convention from Japan. Oh, sorry, France. Okay, and in contrast to Germany. Okay, in contrast to Germany. So definitely, the convention thermal was the main source of the electricity productions in Germany. In Germany, so that's why you want to. In contrast to Germany, conventional thermal counted for just how much was just 10.3%. Okay, that we're gonna do it. Okay, if you watch it like in Germany, okay, in Germany, okay, that was a contrast German, but this is in Germany. Okay, the proportion of nuclear. This is a Germany. Okay, proportion of nuclear powers generated electricity was only 1/5 of the total. If we want to count that, okay, the total is going to be 100%. Okay, so definitely you have to be remember that. And if you talk about the one fifth, that is going to say the 100 we're going to divide in a fifth part. Okay, you have to be calculate that way. If you divide 100 is 5 times, so each value must be is going to be 20. So that is 120 is one fifth. Okay, and if you go into like a 220, which is calculation is go 40, is 2 fifth. If 60 is going to 3 fifth. Okay, so you have to be remember that way. If you're going to read the one the next para, I just combine all of together. Okay, full paragraph of overall it can be clearly seen or notice that, but we can notice that the bulk of electricity in Germany, whose total output was 560 billion kilowatts, came from conventional thermal at 59.6%. In France, the total output was lower as compared to the German. Okay, that's we write down lower at 510 billion kilowatt. So mostly, so like 76%. Mostly came from nuclear. How much was it? At 76%. And in contrast to Germany, we go to in contrast to Germany, conventional thermal accounted for just 10.3%. And in German, okay, the proportion of nuclear. Okay, so we talking about it. So the nuclear, the higher production was in the France. So that's we put in the German now. In Germany, the proportion of okay, proportion, the portion, these words you can use. Okay, in Germany, the proportion of nuclear power generated electricity was only one fifth of the total. So if you want to say like a 20 is 23, is obviously is going to be one part of fifth is a one fifth total. Okay, so that way you can write down sentence by sentence, and definitely we are going to write this is a the full one, and definitely the tomorrow we are going to do is the next the PP one. Okay, we're not going to do in a one day, and may you can't get anything, and hopefully you understand. Okay, maybe you feel like you have got something, but if you're still having a problem to understand that one, watch again. Okay, 2 or 3 times. If you didn't still you did then if you didn't get the right idea, please comment me. I'll make sure, okay, I'll make another video with the easiest one. Okay, easiest method. May I make more things clear? Where you feel are difficult, just make sure let me know that one. So next video I will be take care about that. And that's all for the today. Before I leaving, um, if you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Okay, and if you like the video, must be hit the like button. Okay, that's all for asking you. Okay, thanks for today, and I hopefully I'll see you soon. Thank you.